Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tips and guide video. In today's video, I will show you how you can delete your Plenty of Fish or PoF account from your mobile device. So first of all, open your Plenty of Fish app, and once you open the app, tap on your profile icon, and after that, you will have to tap on the option Help and Safety. Then tap on Frequently Asked Questions or FAQ. And once you're in this space, scroll all the way down until you see How do I delete my Plenty of Fish account? And after that, on the last line of the paragraph, you can see a link, so all you have to do is copy, then go to your browser and paste it now. Once you're in the browser, if you're logged into your account, you will see a page somewhat similar to this. But if you are not logged in, it will ask you to log in, and now, once you're in this page, it will ask you a few questions whether you would like to recommend Plenty of Fish to your friends or not, and how many dates you went on, and finally, why are you leaving? And once you answer all of these questions, simply tap Delete Account, and your account will be successfully deleted. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.